In this lecture, I am going to teach you difference between C# language and .NET framework. Let's start. C# is the programming language, and .NET is a framework for building applications under Windows. .NET framework is not limited to only C#. There are also other language, which use in the .NET framework to build applications. Example VB.NET, F#. So, what is the .NET framework? .NET framework consists of two components. One is called CLR, Common Language Runtime, and another is called Class Library. So, what is CLR? Before we learn CLR, we need to know the history of C#. Before C# there was two language in the C family, C and C++. When we compiled our code, the compiler will translate our code into the native code for that machine, on which it is running. Means if we write application in C on Windows machine, and if we took application to Linux machine, then our application will not run. So to solve this issue while designing C# language, Microsoft come with an idea. The idea is, in C# when you compile C# code, then it is converted into intermediate language code. This intermediate language code is independent of computer on which it is running. Now we need someone who translate this intermediate language code into the native code or the machine on which application is running. And that is the CLR is come into picture. CLR, Common Language Runtime, sitting in the memory and translating IL code to native code. This process is called just-in-time compiler action, or JIT. So, with this architecture you can write the application using C# and you don't have to worry about compiling that into native code for different machine, as long as the machine have CLR. Hope you understand concept of CLR. Thank you for watching video. We'll see in the next lecture.